Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. To plug Wi-Fi antennas into a Wi-Fi card, carefully line them up and gently push down to snap them back into place. You're going to want to be careful with this, as you don't want to mash the edges, which could result in an antenna cable not being able to be plugged in. Take your time and sort of feel around for it, but most importantly, do it gently and you should eventually find the right spot.